So today, we're at Magic Kingdom. It's a beautiful day in Magic Kingdom. We're on our way to Dumbo. Here we are, Storybook Circus. We're on our way to Dumbo. Dumbo the Flying Elephant. What an iconic ride. Oh, look, they have peanuts buried in the walkway. How clever. That's cute. It's all the details that make Disney just so special. Okay, we're on Dumbo. I got the purple one. And this lever, you push it up to go up and down to go back down.
Okay, Dumbo, let's get this show on the road.
Okay. Press it up. Let's go up. Whee! It's so much fun. We're flying high on Dumbo. Whee! So in all my videos, I have this game called Where Am I? So I'll take a picture as I'm walking through the park, or I'm on an attraction, or in line for an attraction, or at a show. So I'll take a couple pictures and you have to guess where I am. And I'll have the answers at the end of this video.
We came that way. Hello.
Oh, okay.
Hello.
Do you have it on?
Come on in. I just didn't want to miss being on the camera.
He didn't want to miss being in the camera.
Oh, he got me.
Oh, okay. Okay.
She's spending time with my papa tonight.
Are you really?
He has a new invention to show me.
He does.
He's a genius.
Oh my goodness. So I bet Chip is really getting big.
Oh, he is. But whenever he turns back into a teacup, he still fits in the cupboard. We love to have tea parties.
Wonderful. And do you have any mice friends ever hurrying you along?
No, but I wish I had Gus Gus.
Oh my, well there are plenty of mice to go with lovely friends just like you. Perhaps you can take them back to your kingdom.
I love Gus Gus.
They always like to say they're the royal taste testers of the kingdom. Do you ever create lovely food in yours?
Yes.
Oh, that would
All
be
the
wonderful.
time.
Anything with cheese is their favorite.
Is there? I bet.
Yeah.
I bet. But I'm here with my lovely family. This is my brother and my sister-in-law.
Oh, yeah.
I have the best family in the world.
Oh, that is a lovely dream come
It is.
true.
Oh, it is.
Well, would you like to smile with me for a
Yes,
royal
I
portrait?
would. Thank you. We're at Beaches and Cream Soda Shop. Okay. So we're going to try the cheddar bacon ranch chicken sandwich. And then we have to decide what kind of dessert we're going to have, what kind of ice cream. And they have soda fountain drinks, the Impossible Burger, and a cheeseburger, a grilled cheese. And this is a place where they have the kitchen sink. I can show you what they do when someone orders the kitchen sink. So let's see, we got the chicken ranch. So it has bacon and cheddar on it. And then the loaded fries. And then here are the loaded tater tots. Looks good. I'm going to try the fries. Delicious. Here's the tater tots with the bacon and cheese. They're both real good. I think I like the fries a little better, but they're both delicious. Okay, so now I'm going to try the chicken sandwich. It's good. It's a chicken sandwich. I would get it again. It's a little heavy on the bacon. I may take some of this bacon off because it takes a lot of the bacon. But the chicken seems to be moist and tender. I got a hot fudge sundae, 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream, hot fudge. And here is No Way Jose. It has peanut butter. And oh man, does that look good. Uh-oh, someone got a kitchen sink. What are you moving? This is a great photo opportunity. It's the wishing well. Here's the castle, right by the castle. Look at the mice. Your wishes will help the dreams of children come true. There's birds, mice, the bows. It's Cinderella's wishing well. We're heading into Tiana's Bayou adventure. So, I got wet. Not as wet as some of the others, but I got wet.
Tiana sure knows how to make a party special.
I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe. And remember, it's always easy to stay forever young at Disney. Please click on one of the 2 videos at the top for some more fun videos. Thank you for your support.